I'm going to type in google.com and I'm going to search for download Sublime Text 3. Okay, I'll hit return. Now what I want you to do is I want you to click on download Sublime Text. And for my version of Windows, I'm using a 64-bit system. So I'm going to click on Windows 64-bit, but I want you to select your operating system. So if you're using Linux or you're using Mac, select the appropriate operating system for your situation. Okay, so I'm going to select Windows 64-bit. It's going to start downloading right here. You can see it right there. And it should download pretty quick. It's only 10 megabytes. So I'm going to double click on this. There we go. And Windows is going to pop up a user account control window that says, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Yes, I do. So click yes. And then it's going to pop up the installation wizard. So it's going to ask us where we want to save this. So we're going to save it on the C drive under program files, and the folder Sublime Text 3 is going to be our main folder. So I'm going to hit next. Then it's going to select additional tasks. I don't want to select anything. So I'm going to hit next, and it says ready to install. So let's install it. It's going to run all the programs and everything in the background there. And I'm going to hit finish. And now what I want you to do is hit start. Type in Sublime, and there we go. I'm going to select that. And what I want you to do is maximize this window, right click on the icon, click pin to taskbar.